Deepfence ThreatMapper is a security observability solution that allows you to explore your production environments with a rich graph-based overview, looking at clouds, locations, clusters, hosts and containers. Let's look at a host running in New York. It's a Docker host with a number of containers, and we can see the results of a recent vulnerability scan and information about the processes, resources and connections. Scans that are run are archived in our vulnerabilities report, and you can inspect the vulnerabilities for each asset that ThreatMapper has scanned. All of this can be quite overwhelming, with thousands of vulnerabilities against containers and hosts. ThreatMapper drills in, giving you the attack path for the most critical vulnerabilities, so you know what to fix first. Let's look at one of these vulnerabilities. ThreatMapper shows you the attack vector, how that vulnerability may be exploited, the severity, the remediation, if possible, and provides further links to the CVE details for that vulnerability. ThreatMapper can also index pre-production container registries, scanning containers for vulnerabilities, and will raise alerts using a range of notification, SIEM and ticketing systems. Secure your production environment with Deepfence ThreatMapper.